So what I'm doing here is taking some measurements. I've got a fixed point on a body scene, and I'm just kind of measuring down the front and the back of the mirror base. There's a fixed spot right there I can kind of use to help me line up the other side. Now I'm taking a measurement on the base of the mirror just to give me a general idea. Okay, on the passenger side, I put some tape down, and those two black dots on the tape are going to represent the base, the bottom of the mirror base. That's my horizontal line right there. And the tape mark, well, you get the idea. So this is the mirror, universal chrome. All right, this is the rubber gasket that goes under the mirror. I've drawn two Sharpie dots that I'm going to drill. There's one, there's the other. First hole, second. I think I'm using an 1/8 inch drill bit. Now I'm using a vacuum to suck the shavings. I don't scratch the paint. And now you can take the tape off. The base is adjustable, so after I get my screws started, I get my threads made in the body, that base will actually be able to slide forward and backwards. You can make small adjustments so that it matches the other side. Right here I had an issue backing the screw out. Okay, so there's the rubber gasket. There's the metal bracket for the base of the mirror, and you saw how I could move that whole assembly forward and backwards. I'm just snugging these up. I'll fine tune it once I get the mirror set where I want it. Plastic mirror. Now you want that mirror low enough so that when you open up that vent window it doesn't hit, and that's why I did those measurements, because I know this side on the driver's side does not hit when I open up the vent window. And there you can see there's got some clearance there. And that's how you install a mirror on your classic 66 Dodge Dart. 225 4-speed.